second grade mathematicians. It's great to have you back here with me, learning math. So excited you are here. Today, we are going to learn about skip counting. Now, I know you guys are experts at skip counting. You did it in kindergarten. You did it in first grade, all the way to the number 120, and you learned to count by 2s, 5s, 10s. And today, or this week, we are going to learn about skip counting by 5s, 10s, and 100s, all the way up to the number 1000. But before we get started, let's do a quick review. Here's a basic 120 chart, and I want us to skip count by 10s all the way up to 120. You ready? Let's do it together. 10, 20, oh, I don't hear you. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. What's going to be next? That's right, 130. You guys are so smart. You've got the skip counting down. Now in second grade, like I said, we are going to be learning to count all the way up to 1000 with the skip counting. Today, I really want us to focus on counting by hundreds all the way up to 1000. Now, you guys got this part. We're going to make it easy peasy for the first one we do. And we are going to start with 100. You ready? Skip count with me. By 100s. 100. 200. Then we go through the 200s. 300. After 300, we have 400. 500. 600. 700. 800. 900. And then 1,000. Y'all are experts at counting by hundreds. Now, sometimes when we skip count by hundreds, we don't get to start with the nice, even round numbers of just going 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. Sometimes when we skip count by hundreds, it's going to start at a different number. So, let me show you what that'll look like. All right, boys and girls, what number do I have built? That's right, 121. So I said, let's start skip counting by hundreds starting at 121. I have 121. Then I'm going to add 100. Now what do I have? 221. 321. 421. 521. 621. 721, 821. When I skip counted by hundreds, what did you notice? Did the hundreds change, the tens, or the ones place value change? All right, so I just wrote down the numbers we said. We started at 121, then we did 221, 321, 421, 521. And I asked y'all what you noticed. And I heard somebody say the only number that they saw changing was the hundreds. And that is correct. Here's the 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. The numbers that stayed the same were the numbers that were in the tens and one. 21, 21, 21, 21, 21. So when we're skip counting by hundreds, our tens and our ones are staying the same, and it's just the hundreds place value that the digit changes to. So there's a trick that I remember. When I am skip counting by 100s, I think of the number 100, and I think to myself, 100 has 2 zeros in it. So, when I start skip counting, I'm going to make sure that 2 place values stay the same. And since these zeros are in tens and the ones place value, the tens and the ones place value stays the same. So all that I am having to do is change the hundreds place value. So let's practice. You guys ready? Okay, I want us to skip count by hundreds starting at 356. And we need to fill in the blanks for what comes next. Remember, if my number is, if I'm skip counting by hundreds, I have 2 zeros in hundreds, a 0 in the tens and a 0 in the ones, which means 2 numbers are going to stay the same, my tens and ones. So I'm going to go ahead and fill in. I know that all my numbers are going to end in 56 because my tens and my ones do not change. Again, do not change while I am skip counting. So the only thing that's going to change is my hundreds place. So I have 356. Then it's going to go 456, 556. What comes next? You're right, 656. What's the next one? 756. High five. You guys got this counting by hundreds. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Good job, mathematicians. Tomorrow we are going to do some more skip counting. Have fun today. Bye, guys.